Hey guys, welcome to this first video on how to get started with trading Solana meme coins. In this first video, we'll be covering the very basics of setting up your wallet and buying your first Solana from Coinbase. All of the links used will be in the video description. If you do not want to use my referral links in this video or any of the following ones, that's completely fine. But make sure to be careful because the crypto space is one with a lot of scams and fake websites that might steal your money. First, before we get ourselves some Solana to trade with, we need to get ourselves a wallet. One of the most used wallets for Solana is the Phantom wallet. Be careful when looking for the right place if you do not use the link in the video description, because once again, the crypto space is one full with scams. When you're on the website for Phantom, there is a big download button in the middle of the screen. This is tailored for your browser. You can also go to the download button in the top right and find your browser here. The 4 major browsers are linked here. When you scroll down, you can also download for iOS or Android. Today we are in the Brave browser, so we will be using the Brave button. You add the Brave and add the extension. Now this process is slightly different for different browsers, but it will be kinda the same. You wait until the extension has been installed and this window pops up. You have the choice to create a new wallet or use an existing one. For today's video, we will be assuming that you do not have a wallet yet. So we are creating a new wallet. You can continue with email or create a seed phrase wallet. Email is easier, but seed phrase wallets do have my preference, so that I can just create wallets without linking them to any of my information, except for Coinbase. I am creating a seed phrase wallet here. Now you need to create a password which should be safe and secure. It has to be a minimum of 8 characters. And this is the password you use to unlock your wallet. A medium strength password will do for me for today, but it's definitely recommended to make this at least strong. Agree to the terms of service and make sure to remember your password. After continuing, I get to see my recovery phrase. This is the only way to recover your wallet when you lose your private key, so make sure to write this down and store it in a safe and secure location. You can either save it on your computer, write it down on a piece of paper, put it on a flash drive, or whatever. Just make sure that you always have this. After writing down your recovery phrase, you press the confirm button on having that saved, and you continue on. Now, in the top right of the screen it says pin the Phantom extension. This is definitely recommended for easy access. So I press the puzzle piece, I press the pin button, and now I can open the extension from the Phantom icon. When I open the extension, this is what pops up. There's currently $0 in my wallet, spread out over different cryptocurrencies. And one of the most important things to do first is to save our private key. A private key is basically the access key to your entire wallet. Anyone that has access to your private key can use your wallet to send them your crypto. So also, just like with your seed recovery phrase, make sure that your private key is safe and secure and you do not share this with anyone. To find your private key, you head over to the A1 button in the top left. You go down to the pencil, press the account, and you show your private key. After you put in your password, this is where your private key will be shown. You can also show your recovery phrase once again after putting in your password. You can change the account name, or you can change the picture of the account. For today, we will not be doing any of these. Now that we have our wallet set up, we will be heading over to Coinbase for next step in our process, buying cryptocurrency. To use and access Coinbase, you need to create an account and verify your identity. This process should not take very long. After verifying your identity and creating your account, this is what you will see, the homepage of Coinbase. There's a lot of stuff here, and your screen might look a little different, because this is my personal watch list. You can also have top assets or trending. My personal watch list contains Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Solana. In this watch list, I can see the current price, a small overview of the graph, the current price trend in the last 24 hours, current market cap, and a direct buy button. This is what you will use to buy your Solana. Now, my wallet is currently empty and I do not have any payment method linked, but this is where you would add your payment method. I can add a credit debit card or PayPal. This might be different for your region. I can also deposit cash in my wallet if I wanted to. Now the other buttons here are, of course, buy, to buy your cryptocurrency, sell, to sell your cryptocurrency, or the convert button. The convert button is just to change your Bitcoin into Solana or any currency into any other currency that is currently listed on Coinbase. This is where you will buy your crypto, but there's also a way to earn some free crypto. When you use my link in the description below, you will get some free crypto. So keep that in mind. Of course, it's not mandatory. You can just sign up from Coinbase itself. When you go to learning rewards, there's also an opportunity to earn some free cryptocurrency. In the learning rewards section, there will be different cryptocurrencies where you can answer some questions, learn about the currency, and get rewarded with the cryptocurrency in question. For example, I could still earn some Dymo, NEAR, or Bitcoin by trying Coinbase One. Now, I've already earned some Dymo and my car is not compatible with the rest of the questions. So sadly, I cannot earn the rest of the money. But if you do earn the money, you can sell the cryptocurrency you gained or exchange it into something else and just take the profit, or you can put it into Solana to trade with. After getting yourself some Solana, you can send yourself crypto. You put in your wallet here, which you find by opening the Solana wallet in Phantom. You click Receive, copy your Solana address, and you put it in here. You press the button, and this is where you would usually send yourself the Solana. I do not have any Solana, so I cannot show this to you. After sending yourself the Solana should be showing up in your wallet very soon. This number will update to reflect your new balance. When you scroll down, this will also say something else than 0. Now that you have bought your Solana and put it into your wallet, it's time to get trading.